Hey guys, this is Brent with Western Equipment, and in this video I'm going to be telling you all about the model year 2022 John Deere XUV 835M Honor Edition. First off, I'd like to talk just a little bit about this John Deere Honor Edition Gator, what it stands for, and what John Deere is doing behind the scenes in conjunction with the production of this Gator. Now, this is going to be a military-inspired Gator that is meant to be a tribute to current service members, veterans, and their families. But the other great thing about this machine is that it inspired John Deere to also get in touch with an organization called the Save Farm. Now, the Save Farm is an organization that's going to provide certain trainings for farming, ranching, and agribusiness to current servicemen and women, veterans, and their families, along with healing programs. And with that partnership, John Deere is making a charitable donation to this organization. So you are supporting a great cause if you're going out and looking for one of these machines. And if you would like to learn more about the Save Farm, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below where you can go directly to their website to see all the things that they do for our servicemen and women and their families and those veterans out there. And on behalf of all of us from Western Equipment, and I believe I'm speaking on the behalf of John Deere as well, we just want to thank all of you military veterans, all of you current servicemen and women, and all of the families for everything that you do for this country. We appreciate you and thank you so much. Now let's dive into the features that set this machine apart from any other John Deere 835M out there. Now keep in mind that this is a 2022 model and will only be available for model year 2022. So if this is something that you want to get your hands on, something that you really think you might need or want, or you're wanting to help support that organization, make sure and get in touch with your local dealer today as quick as possible so that you can get your hands on one of these machines, as I'm sure there's only going to be a limited quantity made, so you need to make sure get those feelers out there to try to find yourself one today. Now, the first and most obvious feature to this machine is going to be the color scheme, which is going to be that desert sand. Now, this machine is also going to have, like we talked about, the military-inspired decals starting with the star on the hood. We're also going to have a star here on the door. We're going to have military-inspired lettering here at the model number and also on the lettering on the bed here, and then also some military-inspired decals there on the rear of the machine. Now, one other thing about the Honor Edition Gator is it's only going to come in two packages. Both of them are going to be the 835M. Here we have the full enclosed cab with HVAC system on this machine here, but you can also get this in an open station version, which I'll put a picture of right here. Now, this is going to have the half doors rather than the full doors, and it will have the open operator station, but these are the only two ways that you can get these machines made. They only come in these two packages. Along with choosing whether you want a cab model or an open station model, you also get to choose the type of tire that you want on this machine. Whether you choose the heavy duty Predator all-terrain tire like we have here, or you choose the Maxxis Bighorn 2.0 extreme terrain tire, which we'll also put up on the screen right here. Now, both of these tires are going to be a great all-terrain option. Both of them are going to have superior gripping and traction ability, but these are going to serve two different purposes. As you can see over here, the extreme terrain tire, the Maxxis Bighorn, is going to be a lot more knobby, a little more narrow, that's going to help you get out of those sticky situations a little easier, whereas the Predator heavy-duty all-terrain is going to be a little wider tire, a little less knobby, which is going to cause a little less road noise going down the road. A few more of the standard features that are going to come on the Honor Edition Gator. For one is going to be the brush guard. Two will also be that each model, whether it be open station or cab, is going to come with the black roof. And then also these machines will come standard with single beam headlights. Along with that, the machine will come standard with the deluxe bed with spray-in bed liner. So you will have that extra strength and durability here at the bed for hauling those things around. And you will have the ability, if you want to add in signal lights to this machine, your deluxe cargo bed will already have those signal lights in place. Just you will need to equip the front signal lights to this machine to be able to activate those. To make this bed an even more user-friendly tool, these Honor Edition Gators are going to come standard with the electric bed lift. Now, this is going to be a nice system for if you're working out on the farm or the ranch or out in the garden and you're needing to dump those materials out, you have that at the ease of a electric switch here in the cab, rather than trying to manhandle this bed to lift it up and dump it. The rest of the features that are going to set this machine apart are going to be here in the cab. Now, first thing that we talked about was the doors on this operator station. For one, here we do have the doors that are going to have the roll up and down windows. For the cab model, they are going to be fully enclosed doors that are going to open and close. And then we also are going to have those half door models as well. Now in the cab, what you'll see in both editions or both makes of the Honor Edition is you're going to see the black vinyl seats here. These are going to be what's called a 60/40 bench seat. So these are going to be a true three-seater machine. The driver's seat here will be separated from the two passenger seats, making this a 60/40 split bench. Now, another thing that you're going to have in the Honor Edition Gators is the really nice sport style leather wrapped steering wheel here, or rubber wrapped steering wheel. This is going to be an upgrade from the normal M models, so that is a really nice feature also of the Honor Edition Gator. Now, a few of the other things here that the cab model is going to have that the open station is not, is we're going to have such things as the stone colored headliner here. We're also going to have these stone colored corner post covers, as you can see right here and here. And then we are going to have the standard black dashboard here. So this just makes a very nice tie-in from the whole black interior, the stone to somewhat match the tan on the outside, the black interior to match the black wheels and the black trim of the Gator, just overall making this a very nice machine. So as far as engine specs goes, specs on dimensions, whether it be in the bed, the height of the machine, the ground clearance, all of those things are going to be the exact same as the 2021 835M. So if you need to see all those things, you'd like to know such things as top speed, which by the way is right there around 45 to 48 mile an hour. But if you'd like to see and hear more of that information, make sure to check out that video down in the description below over that 2021 John Deere 835M. But I hope this video was able to better explain the 2022 John Deere Honor Edition Gator. I hope that you were able to see all of the things that you wanted to see. I pointed out every feature about this machine that makes it specific to the Honor Edition, and also I hope that you really took in the information about the Save Farm, and I highly encourage you to go check that out. But guys, if you have any other questions or comments, you feel like I left anything out, make sure to leave those down in the comments section below so I can be sure to get back with you. If you did like this video or you found this video helpful, we just ask once again that you'd hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're looking for parts for your John Deere equipment, whether it be for your Gators, your lawnmowers, your tractors, your compact construction equipment, whatever those things are, make sure to check out the link down in the description below to 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.